Good morning, my lovelies. I'm here to tell you about Fakeaway, which is exciting. It's come out this week and it's going gangbusters. And it's my newest ebook, and I'd really like you to get a copy. And you can get a copy one of two ways. You can get it as free as an Insider Club member, because we give everything to the insiders. So come on in and join us, hit the link. And you can also purchase it, of course, and it's automatically delivered to your inbox. And you're gonna be so in love with this book. Look, it's so cute. It's so cute. This is my ebook on my iPad here, Fakeaway. And we've got the contents page on a little takeaway bag. Can you read that? Probably not. I'll probably put it in the email as well so you can see it, but how fun is that? And we've got little bites to eat, so things that you might buy at a cafe or, you know, one of your favorite little retail bakeries. We've got mains, which are all done really, really fast, so that you can do on a Friday night. You can have a Fakeaway without having to run down the shop for a takeaway. We've got even butter chickpeas. Instead of butter chicken, we've got butter chickpeas, and it's fantastic. Really, really yummy. Vegetarian version of butter chicken. And of course you can swap out the chickpeas for chicken and have butter chicken if you want to. We've got desserts, including vanilla slice. Let me just get to that. Hang on, I'm just going to show you. There we go. Hang on. Oh, look, your favorite fried chicken with oven fries. Yum. Pizza, of course. Pies, of course. Loaded potatoes. Let me just get there. Hang on. There's the butter chickpeas. And that cereal milk ice cream is fantastic. And we're running a cooking class as well. You're going to get a link to the cooking class if you buy the book or if you're an insider. Donuts. Also churros, muffins, and danishes, and iced coconut slice. And there's your vanilla slice. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. Best snot block you'll ever eat, because you make it yourself from scratch. And some scrolls and some drinks and a favorite frappuccino from a favorite place that you all know and love, unless you're in Perth, where we don't even have one. Margarita. They're just a few things that you need for the other recipes. So go and get the Fakeaway book, or come and join us on the inside and get it for free. And the cooking class is Saturday the 15th of April, and we'll send out details very soon, and you'll be able to join online. So come on in, come and join us on the inside, where the mixing's better, or just go get the Fakeaway. Have a great day. Bye.